Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new to this channel, definitely hit the like button, subscribe as well. I have way more content. I know I'm running behind schedule, man, guys. Please bear with me. I have way more content coming, and there's still the Ruga EP to dissect. There's still the Feels EP. There's still Rikasani review coming up. So definitely subscribe and check out the other content here, guys. But now we are here for Laycon featuring YKB for me. Now this was a song, if you haven't seen like the previous one, Laycon also released another song called Wagwan, and I did a review, so it's somewhere here. Definitely go check it out. We're excited. I'm excited about this one in particular because from what I've seen from the Twitter timeline, everyone seemed to gravitate towards this one more from the two songs that he released. And YKB, formerly known as Yusuf Kombai, it's been an artist that I've been paying attention to right since the Ijoya Class of 20 album last year. He was one of the biggest prospects that came out of that album. I was a huge fan of him. After hearing a song like Yawa, he has gone forward to progressing and develop as an artist since then. He has a song that is a slapper with Zlatan, okay? And now he's having another mainstream collaboration here, which is honestly such a good look for him. Laycon and YKB kind of knew each other before even Laycon got into the house, so it only makes sense that they maintain that relationship. And like Laycon even said in his previous song that he keeps it in the circle. So it's very wholesome to see him bring up YKB and give him the platform, because Laycon is, if not one of the most influential people in the country right now. Such a huge following just off of his reality TV show. And again, we talked about this in the Wagwan review, where like I wanted to see more of him as an artist, not just like the gaze of a reality TV star, you know. Like we all want to see him as a full-blown artist, and he's making the right steps into that direction. And I'm excited about this one, man. This obviously, having YKB on it will make me seem like it's leaning towards an Afropop, more super commercial, because he's a hip hop act. So he has been on some commercial songs already. He was on the remix of Nobody. So, but I want to see like a very like his own solo song. By the way, I still haven't checked his EP. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to do a review of that EP once I listen to it, or a reaction even. Let me know about that if there's some interest in the Laycon EP. But yeah, Laycon featuring YKB for me. Let's go.
What is this I'm feeling? Could I be catching feeling?
Oof. Okay, first off, the melody from YKB is already there. It's already there. I'm feeling it. The bounce already is very up tempo, very up pace. I'm excited, man. Like, this is already sounding mad. This is sounding mad so far. Hey. Wait, YKB. Omo, this guy, YKB is out here, man. This guy is out here. Okay. Harmony, man, kill them. Chai. Okay, falsetto. Let's go. Yo, there's so much going on right now. Those notes that he's hitting, the melody again, it's very crisp, and the beat is just slapping on top of this, man. This is heavy, man. This is a heavy bop so far, man. I'm excited, bro. Hey.
And when you talk, I go listen. The way you giving it to me.
Wait, is this Laycon or is still YKB? Because all I'm hearing is YKB so far, man. Is it just like he has the hook and then he has the first verse as well? That's interesting. When is Laycon coming in though?
Oh, my, your matter got me thinking. Oh, baby,
Or this is Laycon. I think this is Laycon. This is interesting. He's taking a complete Afrofusion angle here, or Afro pop angle here. He's not necessarily rapidy rap on top of this, and this is interesting, man. I didn't know he could get into that pocket. So this is a very new angle I'm seeing from him, man. That's honestly like very impressive for the fact that I wasn't able to pick up if it was him or it was YKB. That's interesting, man. That's interesting.
And when you talk, I go listen. The way you giving it to me, your matter got me thinking. Oh baby girl, this your biggie bum bum. That side like a feel it gone.
Hey.
Feel it gone.
Hey. That's a mad flow. That's a mad flow. I was running there with. That's a mad flow, man. This is sick. This is sick. Hey. Yo, what was that run? What was that run, bro? What was that run? That was hey. Yo, Laycon is not actually out here. Like he's not here to play for you, man. Nah, this is serious. This is a banger, bro. Hey. This is it. This is a vibe, bro. Hey. Nah, they both harmonized. Did you hear that line? The line that this first line as they entered, man, that was a sick transition from the verse into the hook. That was sick. Yes. Come on. Hey, hey. Yo, this is mad, bro. This is a jam. Hey, come on. Ah, nah, we have a dance break, man. Let's go. Hey. Hey. He said, "Don't fall for me, man. Don't fall for me." Yo, I'm scared now. Is this somebody's about to rap? Was that YKB that was in the first verse, or Laycon? Yo, I actually don't know now. I'm confused. Somebody's about to rap, and I know his Laycon is about to rap, like rapidy rap. You know what I mean? But see, we might have to like, I don't know, man. I think I'll have to listen to this another time just to pick up who was on the first verse. The first verse was hard. I think it was Laycon. I'm convinced it's Laycon, but maybe he's switching up the entire direction on the second verse. That's interesting if he's doing that, man.
Listen, now you are one, so baby, my logo. As you sure, she see the catapult, you see, oh, my met and share it. Baby, me, oh, share it. Oh, my baby, daily, but they find out they tell you, you get it. Sharp, make I tell you, know they dummy. I'm a big boy, so.
Yeah, I think what it is now is it's starting to feel very, very like, I don't know. It's starting to feel like his performance on the rap angle. It's starting to feel very, what's the term? I feel like he still has quite some way to go in terms of like the skill set as a rapper. You know what I mean? I don't think he's as poised or as seasoned yet. I don't think he is in terms of his lyricism, in terms of his approach, his delivery as well. I think he goes with a very, very generic flow most of the time, and like it seems very predictable, and it's not like it's terrible nonetheless. But I would love to see him like progress like as a rapper, have more surprises in the flow, have more, you know what I mean, more shock value, you know, in the lines as well. Nothing here strike me so like there's no quotable here that has been like, whoa, that's cheesy, that's kind of cool, or no, not cheesy, but that's kind of clever, that's kind of witty, you know, something like a clever line. I'm still waiting to hear something clever that will strike me as a strong Laycon line that I can quote him on. Do you know what I mean?
Okay to say it's plenty. Open you got joy. It's okay to be a dentist. Pull up. Oh yeah, do da
Now, nah. That flow is insane. That flow is insane, man. YKB, that flow is insane. I can't. Nah, I need to hear that again. Hey. This is hard, bro. Hey. Hey, come on. This is hard. 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 Hey! They had to put those log drums in there. They had to slap those log drums. You guys hear that? Those Amapiano log drums were somehow squeezed in there, and I'm here for it. I'm of the mindset that Amapiano is on its way out. I don't think, like, especially in Nigeria, but people still think it's still here to go for another summer. Like, do you know what I mean? For another like for 2021 summer. But I think it's on its way out. I think there's something else that might pick up very soon. Another trend that will pick up very soon. But I actually appreciated the log drums here. The log drums make it feel mad. Like, it actually added a mad aspect of it, especially on the fact that it's on the closer of the song. It's at the end of the song, and it just ramp up the energy of the song to make you feel like you're about to close the song. And I'm here for it, man. Hey. Yo, the bass. Are you guys hearing the bass on this beat, man? It's slapping. There's so much going on in this production, man. Shout out to whoever produced this. This is hard, bro. Are you hearing those? Mad. Okay. There's so much to be said about that song, man. First off, I still don't know if it was actually Laycon that was on the first verse. I want to believe it was Laycon. Please, I want to believe it was Laycon that did the first verse and not YKB. Because I love that first verse. And it was interesting to see Laycon in that aspect of like an Afro pop artist. You know what I mean? Like I said, even when I heard it, I was like, oh, that's interesting to say, like, because I never saw this coming from him. So that was a surprise. That was a pleasant surprise. If in fact that was Laycon, I might have to give it another listen to be sure if it's Laycon or not. That was in that first verse. But the hook, my guy, the hook. YKB came through. The flow, man. The charisma on that one. The harmonies, those notes he was hitting, man. His vibe on the entire beat. The beat was set for him. The atmosphere of the beat was there. It was a very, I won't say like a club bang, but like, yeah, it was a very, very upbeat, danceable record that just made you feel good. The song was about love and trying to say, if you don't fall for me because we go gun buddy, man. You like, you know what I mean? Like, it was all about very playful like subject matter about love. You know what I mean? It wasn't anything out of the ordinary. But fam, the vibe, the feel, especially of the hook, the melody, just off of the first few bars of the song, YKB impressed me on that one, man. And like the guy hasn't been missing so far, man. He hasn't been missing. But let me know, guys. Let me know, please. I want to be convinced that first verse was Laycon. I want to be convinced it was Laycon that did that first verse. But nonetheless, it's an actual slapper, man. My only thing was, again, like Laycon's voice on this. Like, there's something to be said about his rapping skill, and like I would love to see him progress as a rapper. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think he's all the way there. I still feel like he's still making. I feel like he's making baby steps towards the right direction in terms of his skill, though. Don't get me wrong, but I would love to see some like development on his flows, a little bit of diversity, a little bit of shock value to get the listener excited about him. I don't think his lines have been super clever. And it feels very dated as he's rapping. It feels like he's stuck in the rapping era of like 2011 or 2012. And I would love him to like grow out of that. And I would hope he does grow out of that. But nonetheless, I think it's a banger, man. It's a banger. The rap verse just felt like it's just like a feature on this. But I think the bulk of the song was YKB, and YKB took it away here. And yeah, shout out to Laycon and YKB for this one. Let me know what you guys think about this particular song, man. Leave in the comment section. I've been your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Definitely check out other content, other videos here. I have way more coming. Alright guys, so definitely don't slack. Subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.